Hi, so in this video I'm going to be showing you how to divide fractions by whole numbers using models, right? We're going to start off with this first example. We're going to say 1/4 or a quarter divided by 7. So we're going to solve this problem not using the regular numerical format, but we're going to solve it using models, right? So I'm going to show you exactly what a model is, because we have to make a model of 1/4. So let me get started with that. So to make a model of 1/4, I'd make a nice rectangle to the best of my ability. A nice rectangle, right? Then I'm going to split this rectangle into fourths. How am I going to do that? Simple. There you have it. We're going to split it into 4 equal pieces like that. Now we're going to make the fraction of 1/4. Now all I'm going to have to do is just shade in one area. And then we're going to have this model as 1/4. So let me shade it in. There you have it. So 1/4 is shaded in. So we have 1/4 right here in model format, right? Now we're going to divide that by 7. How are we going to divide this 1/4 model form by 7? All we have to do is split this model right here into 7 pieces. So we're going to do that by, let's change the color for a pen right here so you can see. So I have 1, 2, now we have 3 pieces, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So we just split this model into 7 pieces. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now let's figure out what our answer is. So the first thing we have to really figure out is our denominator, and we figure out our denominator by counting all these small pieces, all the little pieces right here, right? So you can count it individually, by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. So our denominator is going to be 28. 28. Or if you're really good at multiplication, you can just simply do 1, 2, 3, 4 multiplied by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, which is 28. Okay, so we have our denominator right there. Now we have to figure out our numerator. All we have to do is count all the pieces that are shaded. So originally you had 1 piece that's shaded, but this one has been split into 7 pieces. So now let's count it and see what we have. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that's our numerator. So the answer is 7 over 28. All right. Now we can do another example for the fun of it. Let me just erase all this. Let's erase that. And let's erase this as well. Because in most cases when you're dividing fractions like this, it's usually a 1 over any other given number. So let's do another example. Let's say we have a half, 1 over 2 divided by 6, whole number 6. What's the first thing we have to do? We have to make a model, because again we're using the model format. So make a nice model, which is a nice rectangle or a nice square. We split it into half. Now let's shade in a half. Let's shade in one side. Our numerator is 1, so we just only have to shade in one area. So let's shade in that one area. Voila. So now we have a half. Next thing we have to do is we have to divide a half by 6. And how do we do that? We just split this model into 6 equal pieces. So I'm going to change the ink, change the color. So let's go. We have 3 equal pieces right there. We have another 3 equal pieces. So we have a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Right? So automatically our denominator is going to be 12. Again, You don't have to count everything. You can just count how many going across, how many going down. So we have 2 going across and 6 going down. 2 times 6 is 12. Now, in order to figure out our numerator, all we have to do is count all the ones that have been shaded in. So let's go. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. And that's it, basically. And in some cases, you might have to simplify. But when you simplify, you're going to come all the way back down to this right here. So let's do one more example for the fun of it. Just one more. So let's erase that. You know, I like to do things in threes. So we're doing 3. We can do 3 examples. So in this example, we will be dividing, let's say, 1/5 divided by 9. First of all, we have to make a model representing 1/5. So let's make a nice model. We're going to split this empty box into 5 equal pieces. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now to make 1/5, we just have to shade in one area. So we're shading in one area. Pretty simple. So we have a model of 1/5. Right? Now we're going to divide 1/5 by 9. So we have 1/5, which is going to be split into 9 pieces. So let's change our ink. I'm going to split this into 9 pieces. So let's say I do this, that. Splitting it into 9 pieces. Okay, so that's 9 pieces. Let's count to make sure. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 pieces. Right? We just split it 1/5 into 9 pieces. Now we have to figure out the denominator. I'm sorry, let me change the color. We have to figure out the denominator. And we're going to do that by counting all these little pieces, all the small little pieces. Right? Or we don't have to do that. We can just count how many going across, how many going down. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 going across. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 going down. So 5 times 9 is 45. Now we have to figure out our numerator. Simple thing. All we have to do is count these small pieces that have been shaded in. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And that's your answer. 9/45. So we just divided a fraction by a whole number using the model format or the model technique. And all we did was we just drew a nice rectangle, made 1/5, then we split it into 9 pieces, and there you have it.